Hi, today we're going to see some rubies and we're going to see what classifies the pigeon blood ruby and see some real examples. So here are some rubies under natural daylight, which is the sunlight. For comparison purposes, we have some rubies from Burma and Mozambique. We have them in heated and unheated both treatments. We have them in vivid red, pigeon blood, pinkish red, purplish red, and orangish red. These are real natural rubies, not synthetic, not imitation, just real rubies. Here are the same rubies in incandescent lighting. This here is a pink sapphire because the dominant color is pink and not red. It's a very strong pink. Here it's a ruby because the dominant color is red. It's a pinkish red ruby. It's just a borderline stone, I would say, but still classified as ruby. Here are both stones side by side, a pink sapphire and a pinkish red ruby. You can see the difference clearly over here. The one on the right is more red. This is a purplish red ruby. It's heated it's from Thailand and it's got almost no fluorescence. Here is a pinkish purplish red ruby. It's from Burma. It's heated. It's got a strong fluorescence. Here are pinkish red ruby from Burma. They're heated. The dominant color is red. Pinkish red ruby again from Burma. It's got strong fluorescence, you can see. Here is a vivid red pigeon's blood ruby from Burma. It's heated. It's got a very strong red, good flashes, good transparency. You can see the reflections really well. Again, a very fine red ruby, pigeon's blood from Burma. It's heated, very strong fluorescence, very good flashes. Here's the orangish red ruby. It's got a little orange in it. It's from Mozambique. It's unheated. It's got a very low fluorescence. This is a ruby from Mozambique. It's pinkish red with strong fluorescence, I would say. Here is a ruby from Mozambique. It's heated. It almost looks like a Burma ruby at first go, but when you put it under the microscope, it's actually Mozambique. Strong glow under fluorescence lighting. Here is a unheated natural pigeon's blood ruby certified from Mozambique. A different stone, same thing, pigeon's blood ruby from Mozambique and unheated. It's got a fairly strong glow under UV lighting. So here's a comparison of a Burma ruby and a Mozambique ruby. So the one on the left, the Burma ruby, it's actually pigeon's blood because it's got strong flashes, while on the right it's more hazy, more cloudy. It's got a good red but still not classified as pigeon's blood. Here's a comparison of a Burma ruby and a Mozambique ruby. Both are pigeon's blood. The one on the left, the Burma, it's more red because it has a strong fluorescence, much more stronger than the Mozambique ruby fluorescence. That's why it looks more red. So you've seen today various rubies, which are all natural, no synthetic, no imitations. These are the same rubies under UV lighting. Some are stronger glow and some are not as strong, as you can see from the picture. I hope you've liked this video. Do share with friends and family. Thank you.